Right, completely simplify the following expression. We've got 8a to the 6th to the power of 1/3 divided by 16a to the 6th b divided by 4a cubed b cubed. Okay, so the thing is not to try to do too much in any one step, but here we can do a little bit of cancelling before we start. The 4 and the 16 will cancel, the a cubed will go out, and this will become a cubed, and this will be b will go, and this will become b squared. So writing that out, we've got 8a to the power of 6 to the power of 1/3 divided by 4a cubed over b squared. Right, we have a few rules of indices. Now, a times b to the n is the same as a to the n times a to the b. So we're going to multiply that 8, that becomes 8 to the 3rd, a to the 6 times 1/3. And then a to the m times m is a to the mn. So that becomes 8 to the 3rd, a squared, 6 times 1/3, so using this rule here, will become 2. And on this side, we've still got divided by 4a cubed over b squared. Now, what does a to the 3rd mean? Well, a to the 1 over n is the nth root of a. So the cube root of 8 is 2a squared. Now, we're going to keep that one, because we've got division here of a fraction. We'll change the sign to multiplication, which means I need to flip this one. So that'll become b squared over 4a cubed. Now we can do a bit more cancelling because we're doing multiplying. So the a's will cancel, so that a will go completely and we'll just be left a to the 1. That was a cubed. And the 4 and the 2 will cancel. We've got 2. So we're going to be left with b squared over 2a as our final answer. So this has been a video to show you how to simplify a more complicated expression using the rules of indices. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.